co-captains of Team 272.
This is our Week 7 Captain's Lodge.
This week we assembled and installed our climber.
We wired and installed 2 cameras for vision on the window.
We also worked on deciding our operator and driver functions for the shooter.
Okay. Yeah. We developed a new version of the shooter angle adjuster.
And we are going to the Cybersonics Team 103's field tomorrow to practice driving and auto alignment.
Today we had pizza for lunch with nameless wine.